Right, this video is going to be about how to replace a door lining. Okay, so let's show you the processes. Right, as you can see, the tiles go up to the door frame, okay, on both sides. So, what you'll need is a multi-tool. Here's my wonderful DeWalt multi-tool. And all you do is cut right through. I've already pre-done it. Do that both sides. And then that means it's free for you to pull off the wall, off the floor safely, and then you can remove the door frame to put your new one in. So what we're going to do now is take off the door stops, try and expose the screws that are in there, and try and pull the heads of the screws out so it'll come out easier.